That's 29 times zoom. 62 times. That's 78 times. Go back a bit. 47 times. Right, from my angle it's about to go behind a tree, so I'm now going to film what the contrail is left behind, and I'll show you the reg and everything of this plane and height and all that. I love it when it does that. It just reminds me of DNA, double helix kind of thing. It's so weird when you see that in the sky. That's about as much as I can film from this angle. So now I'm going to show you, give me a couple of seconds, I'll show you what Boeing 747 that was. So that was Lufthansa, registration DABYQ, it's just passed over Cambridge. Lufthansa, Frankfurt to Mexico. So far it's done 664 kilometres of its journey. Took off almost an hour ago. There you go, there's a registration DABYQ. 32,000 feet it's at as it passed over Cambridge. Time is now 2:18 PM, 5th of April 2018. Thanks for watching, bye bye.